Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If iPhone screen is not working after the latest update of iOS, then keep watching this video to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. And also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Force restart, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then we have to launch settings, then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. We have to do one more thing: settings, general, transfer reset iPhone, reset all settings. Put iPhone passcode and tap again, reset all settings to confirm. What we have to do, we have to go back to settings and general, tap on shutdown, drag the slider to power off and wait for a couple of minutes. Then turn on back. That's it. By doing these easy and simple steps, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.